Random questions. Favorite type of workout? Workout or relationship? Most used phone app? Facebook. TikTok? Facebook na lang. Second random question. Here we go. Favorite restaurant? Mga seafood restaurant. Init to. Favorite color is yellow. And I call it yellow. What's your sign? Sign of the cross? Favorite season is the summer because daming laag. Random questions. Let's go. If you were a social media app, which one would you be? TikTok. Marag TikTok ko kay murag lingaw. Random questions. Money Heist. Damn. And Kingdom. And Dream Vacation. Cruise ship on the Mediterranean Sea. Titanic. Ever gotten fired? No. No, never. Nabankrupt lang sila. Are you a night owl? Yes. As a matter of fact, it's 1 a.m. already. And I'm still up. Are you dead? What color is your natural hair? Sometimes gray, sometimes dark brown or black. There goes. Do you put your ketchup in a fridge? Sometimes. Yeah. Your dream car, Lamborghini, Mini Cooper, or the Jeepney? Wrangler. Your favorite superhero? I think my favorite superhero would be Spider-Man. Your favorite candy? Marshmallow, if that's a candy, but I prefer jelly. Yeah, the jelly candies, like this. Musical artist. I'd like to choose Jack Johnson and the Collectives. Collective Soul. How many states have you traveled to? Oh, 1, 2, about none. Favorite a parrot or a fish? Pibs. Ano say pibs?
Di sa tambag kita, di sa tambag kita. Di sa tambag kita, di sa tambag kita.